Daily use cooking verbs for speaking English. Hi everyone, welcome back to DigitGurus English Speaking. In today's video, we will learn 10 daily use cooking verbs that are perfect for improving your English vocabulary. Let us get started. Marinate. To soak food in a seasoned liquid to add flavor and make it tender. Season. To add salts, spices, or other flavors to food to enhance its taste. Mash. To crush food into a soft, smooth texture, often using a fork or masher. Peel. To remove the outer skin or layer of fruits, vegetables, or other foods. Stir. To mix ingredients by moving a spoon or other utensil in a circular motion. Knead. To work and stretch dough with the hands to make it smooth and elastic. Whisk. To beat or stir ingredients quickly using a whisk to add air and make it fluffy. Blend. Mix two or more ingredients together thoroughly until smooth. Garnish. To decorate or add a finishing touch to food with herbs, spices, and edible items. Roll. To flatten and shape a dough or pastry by moving a rolling pin over it. Here I have summarized verb spelling, pronunciation, and its Marathi meaning. You may note down in your notebook. So that's it for today's video. Start using these cooking verbs in your daily conversation and practice them while cooking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DigitGurus English Speaking for more amazing lessons. Thank you.